OnePlus Nord Buds 3 Pro was launched at the brand's summer launch event earlier this month. Now, OnePlus seems to be working on a new pair of flagship true wireless earbuds, Buds Pro 3, as a successor to last year's OnePlus Buds Pro 2. Now the Buds Pro 3 have been leaked in two colors, black and golden colors. The case design of the upcoming earbuds appears to be similar to the Nord Buds 3 Pro. They sport a leather finish on the front, a pairing button on the right, and a USB Type-C port at the bottom. OnePlus Nord Buds Pro 3 have a glossy finish while the in-ear style earbuds and ear tips have a matte finish. They feature L&R engravings. They are expected to come with IP55 dust and water resistance. For connectivity, OnePlus Buds Pro 3 will reportedly use Bluetooth 5.4 version. They said to include a dual driver setup and also 50 dB noise cancellation. It will offer 43 hours of battery life, similar to the Buds 3, and include a fast charging capability. No information about price. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.